I'm Elliot Ferris, Head of Analytics and Operations at Apploi. We are a recruiting platform for businesses hiring in high volume. And so since the beginning of this year, we've doubled our total number of employees, and on top of that, I've been working fully remote for about the past 6 months. And Assembly has been a huge part of our growth in fostering connections across teams and levels. And really what impressed me the most about Assembly is how engaged all of our employees are in giving each other recognition. So Assembly to us really felt like it broke down walls where team members who rarely interact on a daily basis are now giving each other shout outs regularly for both big and small accomplishments. And it's amazing to see that one small shout out creates waves across the organization. So you get multiple levels of recognition. After one person sends recognition, it's not just the recipient responding with a thank you, but also other employees are commenting, sending emojis. Senior leadership chimes in when they see what their team has accomplished. And then all of a sudden you see this chain reaction of other people sending out recognition. For us, as a company that's now fully remote, growing rapidly, and working across multiple countries and continents, Assembly is really key to fostering genuine relationships throughout our teams. And I really do think a simple thank you goes a long way.